76% of trees in the Philippines had been lost from 2021 to 2023, which has led to critical environmental issues such as soil erosion, floods, and droughts. As the future leaders of this country, we, the youth, are responsible for preserving the nature. There are many ways young people can engage with nature and environmental issues. They can join environmental conservation activities like tree planting, waste segregation campaigns, and zero waste initiatives. Be educated about nature, like joining workshops, advocating for nature's right, and practicing the use of recycled, renewed, and reusable materials. By embracing these actions, we can contribute to reversing environmental damage and building a sustainable future. Together, let us protect the natural heritage of the Philippines for generations to come.